Ever wondered why cats are considered adorable pets? Well, there's a multitude of reasons. For starters, their cuteness is undeniable, from their soft fur and big eyes to their endearing facial expressions. Secondly, their playful behavior never fails to amuse, whether they're pouncing on a toy or chasing an imaginary prey. Equally charming are their affectionate moments. Despite their independent streak, cats can be incredibly loving, purring, kneading, and cuddling their way into their owners' hearts. Speaking of purring, the soothing sound and gentle vibrations are often associated with contentment and relaxation, adding to their adorability. Cats also boast varied personalities. Each one is unique with its own quirks and charm. They are generally low maintenance, self-grooming, and independent, making them ideal for those with busy lifestyles. Their graceful movements are captivating to watch, and their comedic antics simply hilarious. Add to that their love for warm, cozy spots, and you have a pet that's not only adorable, but also heartwarming. These are some of the reasons why many people find cats to be adorable and charming companions. So, we've talked about why cats are considered adorable pets. Their enchanting features like soft fur and big eyes, coupled with their cute expressions, make them visually delightful. Their playful antics, whether chasing toys or pouncing on imaginary prey, are sources of endless joy. When it comes to affection, many cats love to purr, knead, and cuddle, strengthening the bond between them and their human companions. Their soothing purring is often associated with contentment and relaxation, providing comfort to many. Cats also have diverse personalities, each one unique, adding to their charm. They're generally low maintenance, able to groom themselves and use a litter box. Their graceful movements, whether stretching or leaping, are captivating to watch. Their comedic behaviors can bring laughter, and their love for warm, cozy spots is heartwarming. Despite their need for alone time, their independent nature is appreciated by many busy individuals. Regardless of the pet you choose, the bond between a pet and its owner is a source of joy and comfort. But for those who prefer a combination of independence, playfulness, and affection, cats are a fantastic choice.